The Emperor's gotta be heading for the archives. We have to get there first.
He is overusing the Dimensionator. The boundaries between the universes are coming undone.
So now we've got Bongos?
Bongos. Of course we do. Hurry, Ratchet. We must get to the archives.
We've got it covered. Don't worry about it. Bye. We need to use that rift to get inside of the archives.
I hope the Emperor has not found the map.
That rift will take us inside. Come on. Rivet! The dimensional map's gone!
The Emperor must have gotten here first!
We're coming up on his flagship. We'll get it back. Argaria and Momo safe.
We'll find it. Good luck up there.
Based on the structural norms of the Emperor's ships, we should find high-ground assets on the upper level. Let's hope the map's up there. Your security is terrible.
Are useless. The map is all we need. The rest can burn.
Wait! Does that mean he has the map already? Or... Ratchet, are you seeing anything from Bronze's helmet?
Nothing useful.
Has to be. We just need to keep moving. I was just gonna take it for a quick joyride.
Never! For the Emperor!
find me. Sorry, come back to one-body meditation. Oh, that's Mike's.
What are you doing here?
The Emperor captured me after he discovered I hid in the dimensional map in an anomaly.
So he doesn't have it yet.
No, but he's opening rifts willy-nilly to get to it. It's only a matter of time before he's successful.
Ratchet!
Good news and bad news. Bad news, the Emperor's not here. Good news, we're with Gary. He says the map's hidden inside a dimensional anomaly.
In the catacombs, you can get down by activating the excavation towers.
You can activate them via nearby pressure locks. When a tower's beacon switches from red to green, it is working.
One of the pressure plates.
Things turning on. Let's find another.
Party beyond dead friends are back.
I really do not like the clicking sounds they make.
Another turned on. Good thing the Darius doesn't have a map to help find a map. One remaining.
This was the way out. It appears to be an old engine. Layout of the ship is odd. There is anything beyond this design. bow to Gary?
Unfortunately.
That is all right. We will defend you.
Guess we have to go down, huh?
I am ready when you are.
All right. Let's get down into the catacombs. Whoa. Is that the anomaly?
It is. This place is
Huge.
If you can get us there, I will be able to get inside and find that map.
Gary, did we take a wrong turn? We're in a giant tube that smells like another Snagglebees.
The aqueducts! There should be a trail of food that leads to the catacombs. It's a supply project.
Go! Right.
Getting closer.
Almost there.
Just right on the ratchet. We made it.
Hey, it's the monks. We're on it. We gotta keep them away from the monks.
It means we'll never have to see Roland again. I am happy. Who is this? It has completely ruined percussion instruments for me.
We must proceed to the anomaly.
Gotta go. Stay safe, guys.
Ratchet, Clank, we're planet side. Find the map yet?
I will retrieve the map as quickly as I can.
You got this, Bolts. We'll meet you down there. We didn't leave the Emperor out. I'm afraid he's already underground.
Oh no! We must proceed to the anomaly. Ratchet, I did it! Hooray!
Now hand it here so I don't have to send your friend's head to Torrent 4. Are we hosting a viewing party of my victories? It's all
Come on, kid. We got him. Run. Run! This is our last chance to stop him! Sorry. It was you!
What are you doing here?
Exodoom. Wow. Hopefully there aren't guards out here. Processing center should be just up ahead. Please don't there, guys. Getting close to the prison. It's all starting to come fast. I am feeling
You can get the weapons or ammo. I'm betting both.
Processing center. Has to be where Ratchet and Clank are being held. Phew, no alarms. Now, find me over that processing center. Has to be another way inside. Since when did they lock the processing center? Has to be another way in. Should you be in our doors? Security gate. That's new. Improvised. Should you be in our doors? Security gate. That's new. Improvised. Should you be in our doors? Security gate. That's new. Improvised. Should you be in our doors? Fans look all that sturdy. Almost there. Come on, guys. Please, don't be down here. There's Clank. I don't see Ratchet.
Would never be that.
Where are you guys? Definitely not Clank.
Yo! We decided like stop killing.
Have you seen someone who looks like me? No?
They're about to right there!
Just stick your friends that way. If you need backup,
Take care of them. And thanks.
we'll take it from here.
You're scaring me. I thought you rest, but we don't have a lot of time.
You come here quickly. Thank you. Just try to get you back out the door. Something about maximum security.
We'll catch up with them. And, I'll go away. Look! There they are!
And there they go. transfer center is open. We can get to Ratchet himself there.
Sorry for the things got complicated.
I understand. There was a lot of chaos.
No. Yeah, that.
Oh my. They must. He never used the brush ever. Must have manual controls as backup.
Exciting! Escape to teach a lesson!
I cannot supervise you, but Ratchet and Kid are about to be moved. Ratchet.
Okay, let's get him.
Hurry, enter onto their cell.
Clank! How did you...
I know my way around. Are you okay?
We're fine!
Don't worry, we'll get you out of here.
You must be very worried about all of this.
Something like that. We're both. I'll be honest. It is the robot who took off my arm.
Oh dear.
Anyway, that's what's wrong. Kid is the warbot who took off my arm.
Oh dear.
Yeah. Anyway, that's what's wrong.
Investigate the processing center. Now!
There's the cell!
I will keep an eye on it.
Don't worry, Bolts! We'll save them!
Right. You fight. I will search for a way forward.
Individual in Gen Bomb. No choice but to reduce to ashes.
Pausing for disturbance. Feeling quite disturbed.
We cannot allow them to get taken any deeper into the prison.
We won't!
It's enough fun for one day.
Wasn't sure you'd actually make it.
Don't thank us yet. We need to power down these cells. Which means a visit to the warden's office.
Did you hear about the disturbance in processing? I was informed it may have been a Lombax.
How exciting! Another to add to the Emperor's Prize collection.
Did you hear about the disturbance in processing? I was informed it may have been a Lombax.
How exciting! Is that? It is a Lombax.
That door to the back there should lead to a loading platform.
Brown Nose. You know good merchandise when you see it.
That can be repaired.
There! That's the warden's office! Just have to use these platforms to get closer and go from there.
Be careful. That is a long way down. I should have realized how impacted you were by what happened with Kit. Do you think you could ever forgive her? Perhaps you should.
I don't know.
Take your time, sweetie. Now that is some next level enforcement.
There! That's the warden's office! Just have to use these platforms to get closer and go from there.
Be careful. That is a long way down. I should have realized how impacted you were by what happened with Kit. Do you think you could ever forgive her? Perhaps you should.
I don't know. But that won't stop me from saving her. Through that open access hatch! Almost there. Oh, please do not hurt me. I am only following the Emperor's orders. Just stay out of my way. Emergency shutdown initiated.
Rerouting power to the VIP section.
Ratchet's in a VIP cell, isn't he?
Yes.
You are a fool for underestimating me. Witness my power. No matter. I will try to persuade my fate.
Attention! Plan in progress. Reinforcement capacity at 56% and dwindling.
What? You have not even begun to witness the vast and unforgiving strength of divine leadership.
You have seen enough.
Not until I say so.
Reinforcement capacity at 42%. Wing has fallen into prisoner control.
Not the VIP section!
to return to Ratchet and Kit before it is too late.
Yeah, just have to get out of here first.
The office is sealed. How do we get out?
Maybe that window leads somewhere.
Please allow me to restrain you.
It would appear we have new allies.
They're moving his cell again? Into maximum security.
I will start developing a plan B.
Push up to their cell faster before they're locked away in the depths of prison indefinitely?
Or a plan C, perhaps.
Return to your cell at once!
A chance to decide to dance! Keep that cell in sight. That rift tether to get us up to that platform.
Return to your cell, or you will be banned from Waste Room access for 10 cycles.
You out of here. There has to be a way to stop your cellar.
Escape the Emperor's glorious punishment. My glorious punishment.
All right, how are we gonna escape? I've tried everything. Kit, any ideas?
Come on, Kit, say something.
I have no ideas.
Really? Because you...
Rivet.
Warning, Riot in progress. Single gas protocol activated.
No! The room is filling with gas!
Hold your breath!
Ratchet, quickly, get us out of here. Hit those buttons to open the door. this.
I thought she was my friend, but she's a liar, liar, pants on fire.
She seems to deeply regret it. Now keep moving.
Maybe. We're not gonna make it.
Tether onto that rail. Their cell. It went outside. There, quickly. We must slingshot onto that evacuation platform. Ratchet and Kit must be quite valuable.
Hurry before their backup arrives. It's the sticky immediately.
I have it in my sight.
fight. Quickly, use that crank to pull the cells back toward us.
You will never escape! This place is surrounded, and your friend is being lifted away! There is nothing you can do about it now! Wait! You cannot do that! You cannot fire me! I quit!
Someone call for backup?
Thanks for the save. Kit, are you...
Give us a minute.
We'll meet you at the ship.
Clank told me I should try to forgive you. I am going back to Zavali. I never should have...
Wait! You're just gonna hide again? Now?
I am very... Truly, I am sorry, Rivet. For everything. I am not a good partner.
Well, maybe you could be. If you'd stopped to help me that night instead of running away, things could have been different. Or if you just told the truth, maybe
Why do none of you understand? I am broken. I will always be broken.
Fine. Go hide. We have a universe to save. Universes, whatever. I don't need a partner anyway.
Wait, where's Kit?
She's not coming.
But... Kit should be here.
She didn't want to be.
Only because she thinks she's dangerous.
And maybe she is.
So you're just gonna give up on her? Because you're afraid?
Says the big hero who's too scared to look for the other Lombaxes? At least my fear makes sense.
Sorry. Sorry.
You're all okay! Oh, thank goodness. We were so worried.
Can't stop us that easily.
What took you all so long? Hey, I think I know how we can find the Emperor. When you're ready to take the fight to him, come talk to me.
Hey, Phantom. Thanks for bail. And pause.
Well.
So how do we find the Emperor?
I said. Okay, we have to draw him out. So I was thinking I'd disguise myself as a robot, but with a really big...
Do you know what that sound is? Listen closely. Is it fear? Hope? The slow inevitability of death? No, it's me. Winning. What else is new, you say? Oh, quite right. But you are only a part of one dimension. What about the rest? Maybe I'm just old-fashioned, but I think everyone deserves a little subjugation. So, to celebrate such a momentous occasion, I'd like to honor the good doctor who inspired this journey in the first place. By invading his home dimension personally. What? My first stop, Megalopolis. Or, as I like to think of it, New Nefarious City.
When do we leave?
Right now.
Are we home? I am afraid so. The Emperor is truly turning our dimension into his own.
Nefarious is just up ahead. If you guys distract him, I can try and grab the Dimensionator from above.
We'll meet you there. some snipers! Rivet! How's it looking up there?
Great! But I'm with hurry and get that dimension.
Snipe? Get out!
And what? We heard our
Nefarious cannot be far. We must keep moving.
Incoming!
There is one more sniper. The Emperor must be stopped before he causes the dimensions to fully collapse.
Looks like this guy's clear of snipers. Let's move.
the heroes of this dimension? That is hilarious.
You got lucky last time, Nefarious. Is.
This calls for a special sort of annihilation. I've been looking for an excuse to wear my new suit.
Where did he
Go. What's your move, Nefarious? Is that a rift? Or
We need your help. Nefarious just...
You are no longer in it. What has gotten into you lately? Rivet, you are no longer in exile. What has gotten into you lately? I was so used to you being dull.
Come on! We have to fight this thing! Fire at those monitors!
You will never guess!
Quantum? What are...
We've got a plan. Let's hold them off a little longer.
Right! Sure!
What do you think of my new look? I call it my power suit. I rarely have an occasion to break it out.
I get... Your funeral's as good a time as any! Come on! Just have to weaken his stupid... power suit!
You really think you stand a chance?
There is a battle to be won!
You got this, Quantum!
Emperor Nefarious, your campaign of destruction, cruelty, and wanton snobbery is over! How's that?
I have goosebumps.
You nailed it! Now jump!
This dimension really thinks it will get the best of me. How about tire their heroes?
It's still working! This is not good. Everyone shoot those monitors!
This is how you get your dimension. But effective. upon my magnificent work and despair!
Don't let him distract you.
This is becoming considerably less amusing.
Keep firing at the monitors.
Are you all okay?
Yep, it's just fighting a nefarious the size of his ego.
Close. Hang in there.
This dimension really thinks it will get the best of me. Tired. They're heroes.
It's still working. This is not good. Everyone shoot those monitors!
This is how you get dimension to respect you. Unconventional terms. But effective. Like artistry, imagination, elegance. Yes. This is my dimension to rule.
Firing racket. You heard him, everyone.
This is becoming considerably less amusing.
Keep firing at the monitors.
Are you all okay?
Yep, it's just fighting a nefarious the size of his ego.
We're getting close. Hang in there.
You think you're clever, don't you? I will win.
Nefarious?
Last nerve. This holds not even a candle against the battles I have won. Countless victories. Your dimension will be another in my trophy case. Look upon my magnificent work, and it spare.
Don't let him distract you.
What have you done? My eyes! Quiet! I can't see! I want my suit fully back online! Now!
Ratchet! Gary and the monks think they can help! Get as close to Nefarious as you can! I'll draw fire!
Over here! I can get you into Nefarious's heart! As in the robot's heart.
Thank you!
There, the heart. If we destroy it, we can take out his mech entirely.
I think someone is inside of your power suit.
Out! Cooper, go! Defend the heart! I will send every weaselly, ungrateful citizen of this dimension into the darkest, most remote pits of reality to suffer in ways their tiny minds could never begin to comprehend.
It's working!
Why will they not just submit?
See? This is why my dimension is hard to take over. It's not because of me.
That remains to be seen.
I cannot wait to
Ratchet!
Okay, that hurt.
There, the heart. If we destroy it, we can take down his mech entirely.
I think someone is inside of your power suit. Get out!
Troopers, go! Defend the heart!
I will send every Weasley, ungrateful citizen of this dimension into the darkest, most remote pits of reality to suffer in ways their tiny minds could never begin to comprehend.
It's working!
I will be not just. Stop it! This is why my dimension is hard to take over. It's not because of me. That remains to be seen.
You have nearly done it, Ratchet.
No! My suit! It's failing!
Firing Ratchet.
Gary, I could use an exit! We got thrown to the other side of the city. Let it off as long as you can.
You think you can defeat me? I will bring in all of my armies, all of my followers. You will bow before me.
He's gonna destroy the dimensions.
You were right. I cannot run away anymore.
I can't let you do this alone.
I will hold back his army. Take him down.
the destined emperor of this dimension, of every dimension! This isn't here, folks. No, defeated me before, and this time will be no different.
Enough, Nefarious! You're tearing reality apart! If you don't stop!
The painless, uninspiring dimensions are collapsing! No! How could I? Already! Make a fool of me!
for, Nefarious! Now everyone can finally see you for what you really are!
Come, my troopers! Let's show them who I really am!
And I could use a hand! Thanks for the save! And you are not my emperor!
How utterly charming! I will be the end of you! Destroy the rebel warboss! Do not let it near me!
Hit! Heavy incoming!
This isn't nearly the end of me! Not even close! leader! Eliminate them! Now! Now! Now!
More troopers flanking! Fight them out together! Let's show them how it's done! Up ahead! Hey, lay off! Oh, nice one!
Where are my troopers? Come, my loyalists! Every one of you! Come together to fight for your beloved Emperor! No one?
Nope.
Enough! I will collapse every dimension!
This is the part where you lose!
You really thought you had me? Get off of me, you loathsome! Please, we can win this together!
What do you know about winning?
You two really are a couple of hot shots.
Look who's talking. Ready to fix this, pal?
I would love nothing more.
Hey, I'm sorry for what I said before. You're my friend. And thank you for coming back. Team? Team.
I guess it's time to go home, huh?
Yeah. Our dimension could use a couple heroes right about now.
Well, how would you two feel about making a pit stop on the way?
Where are we headed?
I think you know.
Is that us?
La